Hey y'all, Sarah Ulmer here for the Y'all Politics Weekly Wrap Up. It was a busy week for the state of Mississippi, especially after last week when the Supreme Court ruled that Initiative 65 would be invalidated. This week, individuals began to scramble as they tried to figure out what would happen to Mississippi's medical marijuana program. Officials began to speak out on when something might be done among the legislature. Speaker of the House Philip Gunn, as well as Lieutenant Governor Delbert Hosemann, both said that they would not be opposed in the event that the governor wanted to call a special session in order to provide time for the legislature to get a medical marijuana program up and running prior to the August anticipated date that Initiative 65 would have allowed one. So far, no word yet as to whether or not a special session will happen, but lawmakers do say if not, they plan to come back in January and make sure a law gets passed. We did have an exclusive with Governor Tate Reeves regarding the medical marijuana decision, as well as the U.S. Supreme Court, who has decided to hear a case regarding Mississippi's 15-week abortion ban that was passed in 2018. The ban has been contested in several courts and has now made its way to the U.S. Supreme Court. Governor Tate Reeves gives some insight as to what that could mean in the interview on our website at y'allpolitics.com. So what's next for medical marijuana? We spoke with two attorneys that have been a part of the campaign process for the last 3 years on what could happen next in the state for the medical marijuana program and how they hope to work with lawmakers to ensure that a proper program is put forward. Governor Reeves also announced some appointments to the IHL board, the State Board of Education, and the Community College Board. You can find out who those people are online. As of right now, Medicaid expansion initiative is on hold. With the recent decision by the Supreme Court in Mississippi, it's unclear at this time if initiatives will even be allowed moving forward. Lawmakers are also discussing the possibility of rectifying the initiative process in order to allow future initiatives to be brought to the ballot. You can find out more information about all of these stories on our website at y'allpolitics.com. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Twitter for faster and easier updates for what's happening in Mississippi politics. Thanks for tuning in with us this week and have a great weekend. I'm Sarah Ulmer.